And then back in the day, I was into making jigs.
So I don't against the teeth.
Very elaborate, well, not dovetail, box joints. I saw it on YouTube video years and years ago, and I thought I need to make one of those. So the idea is that you have a table that moves sideways. You have threads, 1/16 of an inch per turn, and you can make box joints, make them even or uneven. So when I first made it, well, I have to mate the blade to the screw thread. So the blade advances 1/8. The blade has, or if the screw advances 1/8, the blade has to be 1/8. I always come out, it's loose, it's tight. The guy that made it said, well, if it's too loose, you push on this side. If it's too tight, you push on that side as you go across the table saw. So it didn't get much use. I was going to throw it away when I was closing my shop or reducing my shop size. And I thought, give it one more try. This time I took a set of NATO blades and I thought they have shims on them. So I got quarter-inch NATO blades, try it, loose, well, shim. And I got it so I got a perfect match. So I can make perfect nails every single time. Now, there are much easier ways to make nails, right? You have to do a slab it a bit, and you can do it in a hurry. But the nice thing about this is you can space your nails because you move your work 1/8 of an inch every turn. You want to make a couple wide ones, a couple narrow ones. You want to space them uneven spacing. You simply write down the spacing you want, count the number of turns, and away you go.
I have a friend who's an engineer who says, take a simple task and make it complicated, and you're an engineer.
So it's got a backup in there for chip out. I get the wood up here and start sliding this back and forth. I'll make it a turn every time. Okay, so
Wow. Bogdan.
Hey, Rob.